Hi guys, I did a video on calculating the net force on a charge due to other charges, and I was able to construct this, design this thumbnail from Canva Pro. So in this video, I will be teaching you how to design a YouTube thumbnail using the Canva Pro. These are some of the thumbnails I have designed using the Canva Pro. You have this. Okay, this is evaluating the value of charge at 0 electric field. This is another one. So you have, this is the dot product of vectors. So this is another one. This is error analysis, problems and solutions. So these are the thumbnails I have created using the Canva Pro. This is impulse and momentum. These are videos for high school students and university students. So this is impulse and momentum. I've shown this. This is magnetic force. Magnetic force. So this is magnetic force, semicircular segments. So we have, these are the thumbnails. This is magnitude of vectors. Magnitude of vectors. We have this is power sets, cardinality and set operations. So these are some of the thumbnails I have created using the Canva Pro. So how do you get started? You log on to the web. Log on to the web and you type, this is you type canva.com. Canva.com. So this is canva.com. Canva.com. So it's loading. So if this is the first time of visiting Naselifa Academy, do well to subscribe for video updates like this. So these are places you can design. So of course we can see YouTube thumbnail here. This is whiteboard, assuming you want to create a whiteboard. This is video. So if you choose this social media, you can see different designs you can do with this. But specifically, what I want to point out here is how to design a YouTube thumbnail. Of course, you can see where it is written here, make an image. Make an image. So how can we make an image? So for instance, these are the designs I've created that I showed you. So this is dot products of vectors, impulse and momentum. It's loading. So this is impulse and momentum. So let me go back to where I was before. So as I was saying, these are the designs I've made. So you have Newton's laws of motion made easy. What is physics? So these are the designs I have made with Canva Pro. So to get started, you have to describe the video you have made. For instance, this is make an image. Make an image. So to put up a design, I can write, I did a video on introduction to forest trading for beginners. Okay, for beginners. Now design a YouTube thumbnail. This is YouTube thumbnail capturing this title, so this is what I would want the Canva Pro. Of course, this is an AI tool embedded in Canva. It is called the Dream Lab. So I will now click the create button. This is create. It's loading. Have patience. So before it loads, as I've said before, now this is Naselifa Academy. So subscribe for more video updates like this. So you see that we have found some thumbnails on what I've just queried. So this is forex trading for beginners. I can decide to edit this. This is forex trading for beginners. I can decide to edit this. This is forex trading for beginners. I can edit this, and so on. If I'm not satisfied with this, I can decide to click create again. So wait as this one loads. So I have other suggestions. This is a video. This is another video. Forex trading for beginners. Okay, so I can decide to click the create button again. So this is loading. Of course, you can use this to create amazing YouTube thumbnails. So you can subscribe for 1 year or monthly. You can do monthly subscriptions. But meanwhile, you can try this for, that is the free trial, for about 14 days. So these are other suggestions. So if I now want to create a thumbnail for this video I have made, so I can query this. I can write this as I did a YouTube. I did a video. Okay, I did a YouTube video on how to design or how to do amazing designs using the Canva Pro. Comma. Okay, design a YouTube. This is YouTube thumbnail that would describe this video. So this is what I'm waiting for this, so I can write this correctly. This is Canva Pro. So the spelling is correct. This is YouTube thumbnail. So I can now create. So this is how to create amazing YouTube thumbnail using the canva.com. So it is loading. Let's wait till it loads finish. So Canva is an amazing platform for creating YouTube thumbnail videos, even thumbnail videos for other platforms. So you have to choose the platform you want to post a video. So I have this one, Canva Pro Amazing Designs. You have this one, Amazing Canva Pro Designs. You have Amazing Canva Pro Designs. So Amazing Canva Pro Design. So I can decide to change this, write this query. I can say make this design to be unique. So put up create again. Let's wait. So it's loading. So if you are enjoying this video, do well to subscribe to the channel for more updates like this, video updates on science and technology. We also offer science tutorial videos for schools and colleges. So you see this amazing Canva Pro designs, amazing Canva Pro designs. So these are Canva Pro designs. But look at this now. For instance, this okay is having a female description here. Look at the person we have in the video. I can say remove any human image in the design. Of course, this is an AI tool, so I click rate again. So let's wait as this one loads. So you see I have come up with other ones. You see amazing Canva Pro design. So this is not clear enough. I can click rate again. So this is loading. You see amazing Canva Pro designs. So if I'm to choose the design I'm going to use, so this is more visible. See amazing Canva Pro designs. So I can click edit. I can click edit. So you can actually edit this thumbnail, this design. Okay, so you can add other things to it, and you can actually remove things from it. So this is the design. So you can go ahead to download this. So if I've actually enjoyed this video, as I've said, do well to subscribe to the channel for more video updates. So do have a wonderful day ahead.